Wow, you're doing such a good job for Mommy. Why are we making this for Mommy?
Because.
Because why?
Because he's loving.
Because she'll love it, yes. But why else? Do you remember what Sunday is?
Yeah.
What?
His birthday.
Not her birthday, but it's Mother's Day. So it's a day where we celebrate mommies. So we're gonna keep working on this.
Okay.
Everybody.
I think it.
From right?
Yeah.
Okay, so a thumb and another color, not yellow. Come on, hey, stop looking at yourself in the camera. Let's go. Look, hey, paint. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do my thumb. Can I do my thumb?
Yeah.
Come on. This is for Mommy. Do your thumb. Ready? Which thumb? Which color?
And you.
All right, I'm gonna do this color. I like that color. It's kind of sparkly. And so this one is gonna go up. All right, now your thumb. A different color. Can't be yellow and it can't be sparkly red. So which color? Purple?
Purple.
This one?
Go.
Hey, can you help me here? Like, can you get your thumb in there? You were doing so good. Now I turn the camera on. Come on. Dude. Okay, it's got to go up. You are not this-handed. Your hand does not work. Like that. Oh, yay! All right. Yeah, that looks so cool. All right, new color.
You look marvelous.
Oh, you look marvelous. Okay, one more.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Sir Gibson. Oh. You're so
Your
awesome.
Majesty. You dinosaur.
My dinosaur. All right, come on, one more thumb on here.
Dinosaur.
Okay, so here we go. The big yellow handprint. Now, show me your hand. It's gonna look like this. And we're gonna go right there. Okay, so ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna feel kind of funny.
Yeah.
Put your hand out.
Okay.
Keep it there.
It goes.
Yeah, I know. Keep it there. This is gonna be worse. We gotta get it all over your hand. You gotta stand up a little bit.
Why?
So you can get a good angle at this, because I can't really move the canvas like I did for the other one. You only get one shot. Keep your fingers spread apart. There we go. Keep it down until Grandma moves it. So funny.
Yeah.
Feel weird?
Okay.
All right, lift it straight up. Yay! Good job, Gibby. All right, let's go right to the bathroom with this one, huh?